hear them coming down that hall.
The anticipation of the arrival of Mother before she doesn't know Mary's here yet. She's coming. Mary's freaking out. Hurry up and come up the elevator already. They're probably lost.
It's a long hallway.
It is a long hallway. Turn off the
Oh my god, it's taking forever. It's already been a minute.
Apparently we were premature. Okay, my heart's calming down a little bit.
Mine's not.
Mine's still shaking, but yeah. My hands are so sweaty right now, I can barely hold on to my wrenches. Mom texted me at 6:29, that was 2 minutes ago, to say they were here, so.
Where'd they call from?
I thought they were downstairs. It sounded like they were in the lobby, but maybe they were still in the driveway, I don't know. Okay, they're coming, I can't people know it.
Here they come.
You gotta wait till they knock. Wait till they knock.
Damn it.
Mary. You almost blew it a few times.
Dad.
Gotcha!
We couldn't tell Travis because we were afraid he would tattle.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.